Alright guys, so now Flipside's joined us. We're going to put his tyres to the test, just see how well they really work. Look at that. Right, so now he's just easily made it up that. You watch me struggle. There you go, look.
That's the difference, isn't it?
Alright guys, I am here at Bradgate Park. It is a bit of a damp and soggy morning, but I am here on my own at the moment. I have got Flipside meeting me here in a little while, but he's at work at the moment, so I've got to wait for him to finish. But I've made a few little tweaks, added some weight just to try and sort some things out. But I thought, because it is damp, I'll bring it out. I haven't really run it while it's been damp and muddy, not at here anyway. So I thought I'd bring it out, give it a blast on the rocks and see how it goes. Alright guys, you might notice it does sound a little bit different. I am in fact running now a 12-tooth pinion rather than the stock 14 it had on it. So we shall see if that makes the modulation any smoother. It has done so far, but we shall see how it goes. Bear in mind, like I say, the rocks are wet and damp, so that will make things a little bit trickier. But I'm intrigued to see how it goes. But with the added weight I've done, it never would have just turned on there and come down without tipping over. So that's a good sign. So far so good. See how it gets on some wet slippery trees. Oh, pumpkin got stuck on that rock. There you go guys, look, it's just slippery and wet. Right guys, I'm not holding out any hope for this. Like I say, these tyres are not the best when it comes to performing wet. Not the best in the dry, to be fair. Now that's it, it's just going to slip. Oh, almost. Question is, can I get it up? And no fun jokes about that comment. Oh, she's struggling. Right, there you go. This tree don't seem to have any green moss on it, so it should be alright. It seems fairly dry as well. There you go, look, no problem at all. No problem. There you go, done it again, just make sure it wasn't a fluke. There you go, guys, look. Guys, I don't know if you can see down there, there's loads of little baby deers. Some teenager ones by the looks of it as well. And if you just cross over here under the trees, you can see some more sat there. That's one of the best things about coming to this place. There's deer everywhere. There you go, I don't know if you can see them. Look, there's two over there, one over there. Guys, this is a beautiful place, let me tell you. So you got three young adults there, look. They've got big ass horns as well, so you don't really want to get in their way and annoy them. They'll probably come and attack you. But let's hope they subscribe. A bit like the rest of you, because there is like 89% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed. Why not? It's free. So guys, at the end of this video, please give me a thumbs up if you like it, or thumbs down if you don't like it. Either way, leave me a comment down below. That ain't quite a workout plan, did it? Telling you guys, this moss is slippery as hell. Can't even bump it up there. There you go. Nice little bit of a trail section there, guys. Like I said, all the sand I said to you has been washed down from the hill, from the car park. This is where it's all come from. There's a lot more rocks exposed now than what there was before. Oh, look at that. Done it with ease, even in the wet. Over there with ease. Guys, this is one of the reasons why I do like coming here. Because there is plenty to go at. Plenty of rocks, plenty of trails. Plenty of obstacles. Some are difficult, some are not. But that's the joys of it. See, some you get stuck on, some you don't. You say these tyres are wet, the moss is wet. Doing alright. Right, this is what I mean by it's got plenty to go at. Look at all these tree roots, the rocks, everything it's got to go at. Right, this section is tough anyway, never mind it being slippery and wet. Right, now she's up. Question is, can I turn around without falling off and come back down? Oh God! Yeah, there we go. Hey up, flip side. There you go guys, flip side has arrived.
I've made it, bloody work.
He's got a new upgrade and we're about to see what it is. Let's find out.
Shall we show you?
What have you got there?
We've got some new rubber. Some J Concept.
Oh God.
Ruptures.
J Concepts.
Yes.
1.9s.
So I'm hoping the rain holds out, boy.
So let's see how they perform then.
Sweet.
There you go guys, look, the Ecto with some J Concept Raptors.
It's almost like this is running a fusion, isn't it, how it crawls?
It's so quiet though. That's plastic gears, isn't it?
Yeah.
You ain't got the metal banging together.
No spinner out there.
Yeah, that looks nice, doesn't it?
Just pure J Concept grip.
Gotta get me a set of them.
It's got to be done now, hasn't it? It's got to be done.
Guys, you know what the worst thing is about flip side having these? Lucky bugger got them for £6.
Yeah.
£6 from AliExpress.
Got them on a sale. Well, pushing my luck now, is that going to
go on, go on, go on, go on. Keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go!
Oh, I've got to try that again, I reckon I'll have that.
You find that right line and that's just going to bite and just pull you up. Especially with the overdrive as well you got. Come on, don't be like that.
No, it's not doing it. I'll tell you.
Go on, turn left into it. See if that helps.
Come on, I know you can do it.
Come on, find that bite.
Come on.
I think there's a little ledge just at the back here on the back driver's wheel. If it just catches that ledge. A little bit more. Oh, nearly.
Never seen it.
If it just catches that ledge, it should pull it up. There you go. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh, there you go.
New line sorted. That's it.
Told you, get it. Alright guys, so now Flipside's joined us. We're going to put his tyres to the test, just see how well they really work. Look at that. Right, so now he's just easily made it up that. You watch me struggle. There you go, look.
That's the difference, isn't it?
Look at that, I have to gun it to get it up there. That takes the biscuit.
Wow. That was £6.
That was close. Bit of a drop down there.
You know, even if they are copies, who cares?
Copies or not, they perform better than stock FDX tyres.
If people say, oh yeah, the first thing you want to do to the Ecto is get a fusion in it, I don't know if it'll make a lot of difference. Can't see how it'd make much difference.
Alright guys, this is going to test the sidewall capabilities. She's either going to crawl and stay on, or she's going to tip over. But like I said, because it's damp, it's not overly warm today. The sun is trying to come out, but let's see how well these perform on the sidewalling aspects. So far so good. And this rock face is probably about 45 degrees, give or take. So far, guys, doing really well.
You see that tyre gripping off.
Yeah, you see it, yeah.
No slippage, nothing. I should say that.
Okay, doing it really well. That's beaut. I can't imagine the Gladius is going to do it, but you know. There she goes, she's up. Oh, the tyres are starting to fold, they're starting to bite and grip, but they are still wet. Look at that FOC technology there, just working its miracles.
Body's like, help me! The tyres are like,
Yeah.
come on.
The tyres are folding hard. Get a slight turn. Ooh.
Dip there, it's nothing to.
Oh, that FOC, look, literally just turns it all the way. How well it's going to go up here, I don't know, because my tyres are super wet.
They are wet now. Very wet. How have they got so wet? Stop that.
I think so, they've been wet since I started.
Oh,
I know, look, it's got up there alright. I don't know if I'm going to be able to have the grip to get up here though. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Straight at that.
Come on, J Concept power. Look at that. I get my back wheel stuck in a hole.
And to mod a basher to perform that well, you've got to spend the bloody $40 for these £6. Go in at an angle.
There's a few cars that have made it up there that I've seen, but they are longer cars.
They've got to be longer, ain't they?
Yeah.
Say it's,
They're more 1/8 scale.
yeah, got to be.
Yeah, even wet tires can get up that bit.
You been down here?
God, look at that articulation on the back end of that Gladius.
You've been down here, I don't
I
know.
can't remember. We've been down that many lines, I forgot what we have and what we haven't done.
Oh, it has. You little fucker.
We've done it with ease.
Wow.
Right, new tip over it.
My tyres are getting wet now.
Oh no. Don't mind, your tyres are getting slightly damp now from the dew on the grass. Again, on your rear tyres there is that little tiny bit of a ledge that kicks out, so if you can get that. Oh, just now a little bit of bite in there. Oh, nearly. Go on, come on, just now a little bit.
It's going alright.
You might even be able to power and bounce it up there. Just get the front wheels just to grab.
Yeah, just to grab it and then I'll try a faster approach.
Let me move that your way. Oh, nearly. You just need that front wheel just to grab a little bit. There you go.
And what I'll do is I'll put that wheel in slow motion so it looks like I pulled it. Down this side.
Just literally straight down a little valley bit. One wheel either side. The front wheel's dug in. That's it. There you go, the front wheels are that grippy, look, it won't even get you out. Front wheel's just biting into the rock. There you go. Ooh, that's it, slowly does it. That's it, and straight up. You ain't gonna slip up there, not with them bloody tyres on.
No water.
Stay away from the water.
Are you going down?
No, I'm gonna try and go up that side. Oh, come on, you're doing so well. There you go, and up. Ecto's turn.
This is how good this before. What about them fancies?
Hey?
The VOD.
Careful. Can't go hurting yourself, you gotta go back to work. I was about to say, get away from that dip. Look at that, no problem at all. Alright guys, like I said before, we had about 6 hours worth of thunderstorms at the weekend. Today's Wednesday and you can see how much the ground's just been washed away.
Really bad, isn't it?
It's literally just washed all the loose stones away.
So much heavy rain.
So we should see how well it performs now. Now there's no loose debris. Oh, it's saved. But like I said though, guys, the ground is super muddy and super soft. For that, Ecto makes it up. Right, so the grip ain't gonna help me, but the fusion might. Oh, God. And she's down. There we go, she is up, boys and girls. Oh. Thing is, we're coming this way. There's so many lines you can take. Push it off line. There we go, that's where I want to go. Not that way. I'm going to stop just there. Guys, look, the Ecto is trying to perform the impossible.
Now that the tyres have got wet on them now, it just won't grab it.
Guys, that is a hell of a steep climb as well. Not really a lot of room for error either. The rock he's trying to get up is literally just as wide as the truck. If it does it, I'll be well impressed. But again, the tyres are damp now. So will it do it with damp tyres? I don't know. I'd like to think so.
It'd be nice. You can just bounce it up there.
If you literally just get your front wheel up, just that little bit. Whoop.
Definitely drying out now, the floor, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've got the tyres on them and the floor's right. You've been up that, yeah, other side?
Not this bit. That fusion, look.
Oh, I've got to try that now, Al. You've got to let me do it now. I'll go up it first.
Go on, go on. Oh, just belly punched up a little bit. Go on, go on, go on. There you go.
Stop the motor can handle it.
Oh, there you go.
You can adjust the drag brake on this, but you need the reedy card.
Yeah.
It's not something I've got.
Rock bouncer.
Difference in these.
Just need that front wheel just to drop down. God, look at that concentration on Steve's face.
You don't see it well when I stand this side, you know.
God, just needs just that front wheel just down the floor. Oh, nearly. A bit of heat in them, remember, alright. There you go, good. Just need that body. belly pan, look. There you go, just clears it.
Fall off, there's a bit of a drop. I'll wait for you.
Thing is though, my truck's a lot wider than yours now. I've got these axles on there. I need to be able to see the line.
That's a nasty edge there as well.
Yeah, dead sharp right there. There you go. Right, I'm going to try and take a slightly different line to you.
It's a good free route that.
That's how I need to try and get around this route.
That's the thing, mine's super skinny in it and all.
Ooh. Come on, Fusion, help me out. Go on. There you go. Oh, go the wrong way.
Dropped you into a decent line.
There we go. Oh, no! Didn't quite work. Hand of God. There you go. Drag brake, just holding
Never
it.
fell off. Alright, I don't know where it went now.
Yeah, so it would make it off or go slow, but because I've put a bit of power to it, it just threw itself backwards. Kamikaze and killed itself. Yeah, see, I think I'm going to take a slightly different line to you. I'm going to try and go up the side of it here.
Drop on that side. I was going for the more the aggressive line. He's on the second forks. That green moss on there.
Like I say, it's a bit slippery there. Oh. I need that front wheel just to drop. Right, hang on, let me get a bit closer.
Which way I just come through the middle, isn't it?
Yeah.
Would that be easy for you? I don't know if it will.
Oh, look at recovery. Oh, I'm stuck in that little knob. There you go, up and over.
Yeah, there is moss there.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on then. That, look, you see when we will keep spinning on there, it literally, it's just pure smooth now.
Yeah, that's a big front wheel drop on it.
There you go, look at that.
A bit of jiggery pokery there, bit of reverse.
And we're down. Yeah guys, if you remember, it was around this area where my lad was driving, my car flipped over and the ESC just caught fire and just went up in smoke. So let's hope that it don't do that now. Now I've got the fusion in there. I think I'm going to go slightly different line to you there, Steve. Look at that. Whoop. Alright guys, this is going to be a bit tricky. So like we said, throughout the rain we've had, you can see by the way all the grass runs, everything's been washed down. So we shall see what it's like. Oh, I just thought I'd try and drive into it and stop you.
lost the body clip up front. Where'd he go? Right up to the top now?
Yeah.
Where do we go from there?
Just keep going straight up there, Dan. I'm going to go this way. Oh, hello. Guys, look, we've got a subscriber. He just swallowed, you see his Adam's apple just up and down.
Yeah.
God, look at that beauty, look at him.
Bloody hell.
He's a stunner and a half, look at that.
Till he charges us.
Are you a subscriber, dude? Yes, no? Wink at me if you are. No, you just stand there watching.
Right, my channel's Flipside RC. You're quite welcome to subscribe.
Innit? Big house crawlers, don't be shy, give him your thumbs up. Or just drip from your mouth, whatever you're dripping on.
I'm going to fucking out them two in a minute, they're getting
Right. Yeah, he's like, let's see if I can have them slap heads. Guys, I have no idea where he's going to go, so I'm going to move just in case he tries to.
Go over here.
Just in case he tries to charge at us.
He's like, you two are having it in a minute. You carry on,
mate. Make sure you like and subscribe on your way down. Guys, look at him. Look, he's not phased one bit what we're doing. Fair play to him. Come on, just bite, just that little bit. Guys, this is proving to be very, very difficult. Soft ground is beginning to be very, very challenging. But we shall try and continue. I've had a few hands of God, but it is what it is. Yeah, only because I kept throwing it up. Ooh, nearly lost my footing. Guys, if I have lost the car in some of the shots, I do apologise. I'm trying to step backwards down this hill while also trying to drive.
Leave that then. When I leave it.
Portals for you.
Yeah.
That's it. I was going to try and come down that tree route, but I think it ain't going to do it. Go on, get up there. Oh God. There you go. Right up close to that tree. That's it, just drop down and straight for the gap.
It's another long man, isn't it, really?
Yeah. So let me show you how professional portals do it. There you go, look, once you get up, boom, done. Alright guys, we are done down at Bradgate Park. Steve's showing me up now with his J Concept tyres, but as you'll see on that last obstacle, I battered him with the portals. Yeah. Can't beat portal axles. But guys, for now, we are done. This was like a good comparison of how the two tyres perform. But as you can see, he's got the J Concepts and I've got the fake Hyrax from FTX. But guys, both trucks done pretty well. It was wet, it was damp and very, very muddy, very slippery. But overall we've had a good time. But now we do both have to go back to work, unfortunately. But that's the joys of coming out on a weekday. So from me, flip side, guys, we're out.